Liezel Marie, and I am on Antics Dance Performance Dance Company. The one thing I'm going to now teach you is actually voguing, called the duck walk. Duck walk is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, a little history about voguing is that voguing was actually originated in the Harlem African American ballrooms in the 1960s. Okay, some people say it was in the 1960s, some people say in the 1980s. Okay, but pretty much it was influenced by literally Vogue magazine. All those models, poses, pose, pose, pose. That's how they were influenced by this. Okay, so here's a duck walk. Simple variation of the walk. All you are going to do is make sure you guys are on the balls of your feet while you transfer your weight. Okay, but I'm always going to be centered. I bend my legs in this little soft plie, this demi-plie. I transfer the weight over. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? So, I go right, left, right, left, right. If you see me from this angle, okay, right, you see the transfer of my weight completely centered, left, and I go right, left, right. Okay, that's the bottom half of your body. Second half is actually your upper body. So, if you see my angle, touching the shoulder, and it's slightly twisting, so this is my right, here's my left. I switch it over, okay, right over here, and I go again, double, and double. I do this little flick, okay? So, you put it together, it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see in this angle, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So you see it in this other angle as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can also change levels. You can keep it up or keep it down. 2, 3, and 4. It's your choice. Okay? And that's how you do the duck walk.